Hey, what's up guys? Warren S here with RockSculptor. Just want to share a quick tip. Today's tip, we're going to be discussing how to create a warm gray. First, we're going to start with a gray and I'll show you how to warm that up. What the colors we're going to be using today is Absolute White, Paleo Black, and Simpsonite Yellow. And I'll show you the ratios here in demonstration. Before we start, I want to discuss what I'm going to be applying this on. It's a 140-pound watercolor paper. It can be found at your craft stores and art stores and whatnot. So super helpful. The paper doesn't really crinkle. It shows a good presentation of what the color is going to be, what color it's going to yield, excuse me, especially when you show its translucency, contrasted on white. The concrete is gray, so keep that in mind when you're crafting your recipes. All right, let's just jump right into this. So what we're going to start with, we're going to start with some Absolute White. That's going to be the bulk of the mixture. Paleo Black right here. I'm going to go ahead and drizzle that in. Okay, it's about a 30% gray right there. Okay guys, I'm going to show you what this gray looks like applied without Simpsonite Yellow. Dip the chip brush in there like that. I'm just going to make a stroke. Just like so. All right, now I'm going to let that dry a little bit. Let that dry and see where that lands. That's going to tell you which way you need to sway it. Okay, so now I'm going to add the Simpsonite Yellow to the gray mixture. Kind of the same thing. I'm going to go ahead and add this while I'm stirring. Now these mixture containers, these could be buckets, other larger tubs. I'm just using these food containers for sake of scale, keeping it small. I'm going to add a little bit more. All right. Now it doesn't look like much. It doesn't look like much of colors affecting the mixture in here. But when you apply it, we should see a tonal shift in hue. Drip that on there. Now, look at that gray comparatively to the one up top. You see this has a lot more blue in it. Even though it's not cured yet or dried out, you'll see these really start to take on its true color. Okay guys, so just to recap, on the top swatch or stroke, we ended up with like a cool gray. And as you guys know, the colors are not truly just all opaque. You can, if you want them to be, that's the beauty of the system. But what you're seeing is that real streakiness is the actual white of the watercolor paper showing through. Same thing on this bottom stroke. If it looks wispy, those are actually advantages we use in the decorative concrete industry to get multiple tones and hues based off the one color. Concrete is porous, so you can use that to your advantage. So I thought I wanted to share that tip. Catch you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye.